Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Christmas and birthday unboxing. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I do unboxings and reviews of bags, shoes, and makeup, so if these are the kinds of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to connect with me on my socials, it's at TrishDLF. So today we are going to be unboxing this box from Gucci. This is a very special gift because this is my Christmas gift to myself this year, as well as my 30th birthday gift to myself. So yes, I am officially turning 30. I'm not sure if by the time I've posted this, I have already turned 30. My birthday is on December 30, so I am turning 30 on the 30th. And this is the bag that I chose to gift myself for this big 30th year. The past 2 to 3 years, there's been something I wanted to do that's beyond my control, and it's been stressful going through that period, always thinking about it, and I just thought I deserved this beautiful bag for surviving those mentally stressful years. Also, since I'm turning 30, it's a big year, it's such a big number, I already feel so old, but I want this bag to be a reminder to not be so hard on myself, and that 30 is still actually pretty young, and I don't really have to get everything figured out at this point. So yeah, I feel like I really deserve this bag, and it's a very beautiful bag, and I can't wait to show you guys. So backstory, I actually got this bag sometime in the middle of this year, around like July to August. So I got it pretty early, and I knew that it was already going to be for my 30th birthday because it's quite a big purchase, and I just knew that this was just something that I had to leave on my shelf for me to open and unbox with you guys on my birthday, because it is kind of a big purchase and something really memorable. So I wanted to have this to open on my birthday. So yeah, this bag is brand new, untouched, since I got it in like July, August. It's just been sitting there, and I didn't want to open it. I only opened it initially just to make sure that it's alright, and I just left it there untouched until now. So yeah, I'll open it and then I'll discuss more about the bag once I've shown it to you guys. So this is the box. It's the new Gucci box with like the embossed print on it, and it just comes in this like magnetic type of box as so. Are you guys ready? This is what's inside. Open it as so. And as you can see, it just has like the paper stuffing, the Gucci paper, and inside is the dust bag. Can you guys already guess what is inside? So we'll just set this box aside first, put it over here, and this is the dust bag. It's very tiny, but it was actually pretty expensive. It's actually one of the really classic bags right now. It just comes in this dust bag, which is like it's actually a really thick material. It's kind of similar to the textile of like sack bags, but I'll just open it. And are you guys ready for the reveal of the Gucci mini Diana bag? Wait, let me just fix the handles there. Yeah! Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Look at how beautiful this bag is. I have not opened her since I got her, and I was just like, wow. Actually looking at it again now, it's so freaking beautiful, and it looks so good with my outfit. Actually, when I saw this, I knew that this was really going to match a lot of my outfits, so I just knew that I had to have it. So this is the Gucci mini Diana bag in the white leather. It's kind of an off-white leather with the bamboo handles and the orange leather straps. So the straps are on both sides, and they're basically said that they're just there to like keep the handles straight up. So if you know this bag was actually named after Princess Diana, hence the name Gucci Diana. Back in the 90s, Princess Diana was seen carrying a few designer bags, and one of them was this silhouette and style from Gucci. Back then, it wasn't called the Diana bag yet, but when they relaunched it to this design, they officially called it the Gucci Diana. So this bag, I think they relaunched it last year in 2021, and it came in like 3 sizes. It had the mini, it had a small, and then a medium. I actually made a video. I think it was called New 2021 Bags That I'm Obsessed With. I'll link it up above. But basically, this bag was included in that video because I just really loved this design when it came out, and it was so beautiful, and I was just really obsessed with it. You can see it in my video linked up above that I was just like, oh my gosh, I need this bag. I wanted it in either the tan in a small size or a mini in like the pink or blue, but I thought that this white is actually very good for weddings as well, so this is why I got this. So in that video where I talked about this bag, I basically talked about how this is a relaunch of Princess Diana's bag back then. So hers was like a medium size, and it was very simple, very plain. It just had your regular bamboo handles, and then this area, it was just really boxy, and then obviously it didn't have the new Gigi logo yet, and yeah, it was just very plain, and I believe it only came in one size back then, the medium, and that's the bag that she was seen carrying. However, in this relaunch, they already released 3 sizes, so I feel like it's more fresh now, and they also added these straps, these leather straps, which are said to help these bamboo handles stay put, and it's also for aesthetic because they use these new leather straps to make the bag more hip and more now. You can buy these leather straps in different colors to accessorize your bag, and depending on the color of the bag that you get, the strap color would be different as well. So for mine is in the off-white with the orange strap. So this one that I got is actually the first edition, because after the first edition, they actually released a new one, which uses a different type of leather. It's like more stiff, because this one's a little more soft. That one's more stiff, and then the new edition also comes with a web strap, like the Gucci web strap. It's a thicker strap, so it comes with 2 straps, which is why it's more expensive now. I just checked the Gucci store like last week, and for this size, for the mini, for the new edition, it's like 200,000 plus. And I was just like, oh my gosh. So I'm glad that I was able to get this because I actually got it cheaper because it was the first edition and it only came with 1 strap, which I will show you guys. So as you can see, this is just how you open it. It has this magnetic closure on the top of the bag, and I think it's also to secure the bag so that it's not just open where random people can get your belongings. So it's kind of a pretty hard magnet, but as you can see, that's just what's inside. I have the cards. So I have the control cards and the long strap as so. Then there's just some stuffing in it so that the shape won't deform. And it's just the microfiber interior over there. And since this is the first edition, it actually doesn't come with a pocket. It's just basically the tag. That's actually one of the complaints when this first edition came out, that there was actually no pocket for the mini size. So when the new edition came out, they actually added a pocket already. So those are the main differences. So I'll just add on the strap so you guys can see. So this is just what it looks like with the strap, as you can see. And the clasp is actually very beautiful. The mechanism is really nice, and I feel like this was designed very well, which I think I'll just talk about in my feature review of this, because there are actually lots of small details with this bag that I really appreciate. So yeah, that's basically the whole shoulder strap on it, and I think it's really beautiful. I think this is a great bag for events. I've always wanted the Lady Dior, but I still couldn't get it. Brand new is too expensive, and I haven't found a pre-loved one that's in great condition and in my price range yet. So I thought that this is actually a very good alternative to that. I think it'll really look good in weddings. I'll just obviously remove the orange strap, but even then with the orange straps, I can actually use this to like style it up a bit more if I want to go for more of a fun, youthful look. Oh, and before I forget, I got this bag from Lux Online PH. I feel like a lot, if not all of the bags that I've unboxed here on this channel are from Lux Online PH, because I swear, like, they really have the best deals. But this was actually brand new from there. So Lux Online PH, they don't actually just sell pre-loved, they also sell brand new. So in the past, I've purchased a bunch of pre-loved items from Lux Online PH, but they also do sell a lot of brand new items, and this was the one that I was able to snag from them. When I saw this bag posted, I just knew I had to have it, so I bought it right away, even if my birthday was still like months away. So this is again the first edition, so it doesn't have the thicker web strap that the new Dianas have, which I feel like is okay because the additional strap added like how many thousands of pesos to the price. Online now, the Gucci Mini Diana with a thick web strap is at $3,300 US, while in the store it's at 200 plus thousand pesos. So that's a lot of money, and I definitely didn't get this for that much because it was first edition. So I'm kind of glad that I was able to get the first edition because I got it cheaper than that. But yeah, I'm really happy with this bag. Chase Amy also has the exact same bag. She also has the first edition with the orange straps because the new white one came with, I think, a green leather strap for this, for the handles, or a red one. So either of those two straps. And they also came with additional thick shoulder straps. So yeah, this is the exact same bag as Chase Amy. And also Shin Mina, the one from Hometown Cha 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 with Good Boy. So Shin Mina wore this Gucci Diana like thrice in that show in Hometown Cha Cha Cha. And like, everyone was also watching that because Good Boy from Startup was there. Kim Son Ho was also there. So a lot of people were watching that show. And that show came out like, I think, just a few months since the Gucci Diana launch. So the bag was fairly new. And when I saw it, like I saw it thrice, I don't think she carried the mini. She carried this color but in a small size. And then I think she carried it in the bigger size. So I'm not sure, I don't really remember, but for sure she carried this color combo in the smaller version. And I vividly remember that she carried it in 3 scenes because I was really obsessed with the design of the bag. So I immediately spotted it while I was watching the show and I was like, oh my god, it's the Gucci Diana. So yeah, that's so exciting. And then Shin Mina also went to the Gucci fashion show and she carried this exact bag, the exact mini with the orange leather strap, like the first edition. So when I got my hands on this bag, I was like, oh my gosh, it's the exact same bag that Shin Mina has. Like, she styled it so beautifully. And I've seen photos of her in the Gucci fashion show and even out in other events wearing this bag. Like, she styled it with other outfits. So I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just so happy that I got the exact same bag as her. So yeah, that's about all for my unboxing of the Gucci Mini Diana bag. I'm so excited to wear this bag out. I have so many events next year. I mean, I have a lot of friends that got engaged this year, so I feel like I'm gonna be carrying this bag out to a lot of weddings next year, or at least until next year. I'll do a full review on this bag once I've used it more often, but right now I think that the main characteristics of this bag that I really love are the bamboo handles and the feet at the bottom. I feel like those are really great details for this bag because who doesn't love a bag with feet? So especially because the leather of this is a bit softer than the new edition, it's nice to have feet to protect the bottom. And I just really love the bamboo handles. I think it's very iconic and I think it just looks really dainty when you carry it on your hand as so. I want to also show you what it looks like without the leather straps, just so you can see what it looks like for a more classic look. So this is just what the straps look like, and you can buy new ones to like spice the bag up. But this is what it looks like without the straps, and I think this looks really classy as well. This is more how I would wear it for weddings or events because I think that the straps are too like eye-catching. I think I'd wear it like this, or I'd put a twilly around the bamboo handles to give it a more like subtle look. But yeah, that's what it looks like, and just a 360 of the bag before I go. And yeah, that's about it. So I just put the leather straps back on for the outro. I think I'm also going to spray this bag with Colonel Carbon Pro, the leather protector, because it's white and will obviously be very prone to dirt and stains. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do next after. I think I'm gonna use her for a bit first, and then I'll spray the Colonel Carbon Pro once I've used her for like a day or two. So yeah, again, all the full details and maybe like a full review of this bag will be up on the channel after I've used her for a while. But for now, this unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed my 30th birthday gift to myself. I really love her, and I feel like it's just like an iconic bag to gift to myself for my 30th. So that's about it for now. Thanks guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to connect with me on my socials, it's at TrishDLF. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!